And so I faced the final curtain. My friend, I'll say clear, I'll state my case, for which I'm certain. I've lived a life that's full. I've traveled heaps and every highway and more, much more than this. I did it my way. Regrets, I've had a few, but then again, too good to mention. I did what I had to do, and so it's true, without exemption. I planned each charted course, each careful step along the highway, and more, much more than this. I did it my way. Yes, there were times I'm sure when I became more than I could show. But right on, when there was none, I had it up and speed it up. I faced it cold, and I stood tall, and did it my way. I've laughed and cried, I've had my fill, my share of losing, and now as tears subside, I find it all so amusing to think I did all that, and may I say, not in shy way. Oh no, not me. I did it my way. For what is a man? What has he got? If not himself, then he has not to stay the pace, he's not a pace, and not the one else. The record shows I took the blows and never yes, it was my way.
Antonio Guida!
Grazie a voi, grazie.
Canto! Grazie.
Lo sai Antonio che io questa canzone la adoro, per me è una delle più belle canzoni in assoluto mondiali.
È un pezzo molto complicato perché non ti lascia un secondo per respirare, sono 4 minuti
Prenditelo,
e 20.
ma no, ma te lo prendi.